Here's a little ditty. We were missing 2 screws on the main service panel initially. I don't know where one of the screws went, unless one of them was missing from over here, and I don't think it was. I don't think I dropped it. I was pretty careful about counting it. But regardless, you see how the screws can fit in here? Alright. See the gaps? So the screws that came with this panel will not fit the dead front cover plate. That's why they were missing. They wouldn't go home. You see that? Anyway, back to the hand labeling. I tripped some of these trying to get this bad boy back. I tested all these. This is what the manufacturer says you're supposed to do. Now, if this hand labeling, which it shouldn't be, if this hand labeling is correct, this is the second one, is the kitchen refrigerator. Alright? He won't test. See? These test. That's where they're supposed to go. Sometimes they go by accident. But this one right here, it doesn't work. Okay, let's give him a shot. We'll just trip it manually. Just see, get him, started. He doesn't trip. He's a bad guy, a bad actor.